Hello kids. Hello parents. How are you guys doing today? What kind of fish is this, guys? Let me get some water in you.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3.
Pick it up and put it in his pocket.
Woo! It's a clownfish. Nemo.
Hello.
Swim, Nemo.
Yeah!
Good job. The next one. What kind of fish is this, guys? Let me get some water in this blue fish. Let's squeeze it. Woo! We squirt some water, guys. This is blue tang fish. It is Dory.
Hello.
Blue tang fish. Swim, Dory. Find your parents. Awesome. Whoa! What kind of animal is this, guys? Wow! Let's go. Woohoo! Awesome! I love it. This is rubbery ducky. Yellow rubbery ducky. Cool. Go and swim, ducky. Woo! Whoa! What kind of fish is this? Woo! Let me get some water in you. Let's press and squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Woo! So cool. This is Blowfish. Blowfish. Go and swim. Woo! Whoa! What kind of fish is this, guys? Woo! This is awesome. It is a big fish. Let me get some water in it. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Woo! I love that. It is blue shark. Woo! Go and swim, shark. Woo! Whoa! Look what I got. Who are you? Let me get some water in you first. Ready? Let's go. You guys ready to squeeze? 1, 2, 3. Woo! This is Marshall. Marshall. Go and swim, Marshall. What kind of animal is this? Wow! You guys ready to squeeze? Woo! Good. This is Starfish. Starfish. Go and swim, Starfish. Ooh, wow! Who is this? What do you guys think? What kind of animal is this? There you go. You guys ready to squeeze? And 1, 2, 3. Woo! This is fun. Lovely. It's a blue penguin. 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 What kind of fish is this? Let me get some water in it first. You guys ready to squeeze? 1, 2, 3. Woo! It is fun, so much fun. It is hammerhead shark. Guys, this is hammerhead shark. Okay, go and swim, shark. Go and swim. Woo! Another beautiful puppy. Let me get water in it. Just ready to squeeze? Let's go! Yee-haw! Woo! It is Skye from Paw Patrol cartoon. Skye. Go and swim, Skye. Whoa! What kind of fish is this? With a big white teeth. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, you guys ready to squeeze? A blue fish? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! It is blue shark. Smiley blue shark. Woo! Go and swim, shark. Whoa! What kind of animal is this? Let me get some water in it first. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Woo! It is so much fun. Woo! This is rat crab. Rat crab. Awesome. Go and swim, crab.
Hey my friend, I have just created a brand new video for you. Click here to watch it, and I'll see you right there, right now.